Tip number 5. In this video, I'll show you how to play chords. Chords are nothing but a group of notes which we are going to play simultaneously, and I'll teach the block chords, which is also known as triad chords, and which we can apply for any songs. In this one, I'll show you three basic chords, that is C, D, G, which you can practice daily. So the chords we are going to play, we'll start with left hand, because we from the right hand we are going to play the melody. So we'll play the chords from the left hand. So we are going to practice that. So how to play that? The first C major chord, we have to hold C, E, G with the fingers. So we are going to hold at a time like this. So this is our first C major chord. Next chord is D major chord, which the notes are D, F sharp, A. So this is our second chord, D major chord. Next, G major chord, I am going to use the inversion chord, which is D, G, B. So this is our G major chord, and these three chords we are going to practice. So how we'll practice? We'll practice in 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, C. So this is the exercise which you can practice daily, and chords are very most important in learning keyboard. So you should practice this daily, and you can apply it with any songs which we have, like chords like C, D, G,